Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a DIY, a Dollar Tree DIY. So if you're interested to see what I come up with using these items, just keep watching. The items that I used for this DIY are 2 of the Dollar Tree bath mats, 2 of the Dollar Tree Scrub Buddies cotton mops, a glue gun, a flathead screwdriver, and some type of stuffing. I am using this pillow that I found at Goodwill. I do have some polyfill somewhere due to me moving right now. I can't find it, but you can use polyfill or scraps of fabric that will work perfectly well. The first thing I did was glue both of my bath mats together, having the rough side on the outside and the smooth side in the inside, because I will be using the smooth side for the outside of my pillow, if that makes sense. I then began gluing only 3 of the edges around the pillow, excluding one of the edges because I will need that opening to insert my stuffing. I then flipped it inside out. Now I did have some imperfections, but that was okay. I just went around the edges again with the hot glue gun, making sure that everything was nice and tight and secure. I then took my flathead screwdriver and took the Scrub Buddies cotton mop apart, and it was very easy. I didn't have any problems. It popped right off. I then took 3 of the mop strings and braided them, and I did this 6 times. I then stretched all the braids and set them aside. I then began taking the strings of the mop and cutting them in small pieces. So the look that I was going for was more of a boho look, so I decided to use a ruler to measure out how far apart I wanted my fringes to lay on the pillow using the Dollar Tree Scrub Buddies cotton mop pieces. This next step can be very tedious and time consuming, but maybe relaxing for some. I took my hot glue gun and individually hot glued each mop string going across the pillow. I then took the braids that I created and gave it a clean cut on both ends. I then took the braid and hot glued it right on top of the fringe. Now, the whole braid is not going to fit the whole entire pillow. That is why I made 6 braids. So I took the other braid and hot glued it right next to the braid, and it blended in really, really well. You couldn't even tell. I then took my scissors and gave the fringe a clean cut. And this is what it looks like after I gave it a clean cut. And then I repeated the process, adding 2 more rows. And here's what it looks like after I was done adding the 2 other rows. And I just started to begin to unravel each of the mop string. Once I was done unraveling the mop strings, I began stuffing my pillow. And then I took my hot glue gun and sealed the other end of my pillow. And there you have it, guys, this beautiful boho throw pillow. You would have never known that I used Dollar Tree products to make this pillow. Like, these type of pillows run around 20 bucks or more if you order online or if you buy it in the store, and I only paid $4 to make this pillow. So well worth it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.